Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Snow by McKil And P.D. Eastman. Please enjoy. Snow. Snow. Snow, snow. Come out in the snow. Snow, snow. Just look at the snow. Come out, come out. Come out in the snow. I want to know if you like snow. Do you like it? Yes or no? Oh yes, I like snow. Do you like it in your face? Yes, I like it in any place. What is snow? We do not know, but snow is a lot of fun, we know. What makes it snow? We do not know, but snow is fun to dig and throw. Snow is good for me and you, for men and women, horses too. Snow is good. It makes you slide. It lets you give your dog a ride. Snow is good for making tracks and making pictures with your backs. We go uphill, the snow is deep. We can't go fast, the hill is steep. We think our dog has gone to sleep. But then we get up top at last, then down we come. We come down fast. Sometimes we put on long feet and walk up every hill we meet. Downhill we fly, downhill we sail. Our dog sails after on his tail. What a silly thing to do. Are your feet too long for you? Come on, get up. Get on your way. We have a lot to do today. Now take some snow and make a ball. A lot of snowballs make a wall. Put on more snowballs, one by one. Your house of snow will soon be done. like bread? Do you like meat? Come on in our house. Come in and eat. Snow is lots of fun, alright? It gives you a big appetite. We had our bread. We had our meat. Some bread is left for food for birds to eat. Now make another ball of snow, push it, see it go. What a snowball. See it grow, and grow, and grow. What will we make? Let's make a man. Let's make the biggest man we can. We will call him our snowman, Ned. But first, he has to have a head. His head will have to have a hat. His hat is on. Just look at that. He is so big. He is so tall. He is the biggest man of all. The sun. That sun, it came out fast. Do you think Ned is going to last? Keep that sun away from Ned. That sun is going to his head. The biggest snowman of them all, is very, very, very small. The way that sun is coming down, there soon will be no snow in town. Take some, save it from the sun. Take it all. Take all you can and run, run, run. The snow out there will come and go, but snow will keep in here, we know. So we will put the snow away and play with it some other day. Yeah, well, how many of you get snow where you're at? Let me know with a thumbs up if you get snow where you're at. Just curious if you get snow. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, people, and take care.